Yeah, so it's a little cool this morning. I don't know, it's like 40 or something right now, but temperatures are supposed to be dropping all day, but cold enough that we're going to start the rental up, and there's actually some smoke coming out, which I have yet to see this have any exhaust or anything, so it's pretty cold. I did find out from yesterday that the ambulance and everything that was over there, I guess a roofer or somebody had ended up falling from a roof or whatever, and so now OSHA is coming out probably today, but sometime pretty soon, and once they come out we're to sit and do nothing. That was our direct orders, I guess. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this warm up for a minute or so. Probably pretty good on fuel, but I'm gonna go ahead and top her off just to be on the safe side, and then I'll head on out to our location. So, because of the way that I parked the truck, so I can get the loader in there to be able to put stuff in the bed, I have to climb through the passenger door. Woohoo, here we go. Okay, so before I dump this load of leaves, I just want to show you what 4 days of leaves look like. So there's that pile. That's about 2 loads right there. Nothing too bad. Then we got all of that. Goes from, let's see if I can get this. Here we go. Goes from here all the way down and back, and actually goes off the little hill that's back there, because the dozer has been pushing it back for us. So yeah, that's a lot of leaves.
That's a lot of leaves.
Okay, I thought that should be the normal size, you know. Well, the apple fritter was about that long. Yeah. About that long, you know, brown wise. And then the
what happened to the younger?
and then the cinnamon roll was about that thick. I was like, damn. I was like, shit. And Ryan comes in, and I'm getting the first one, so he goes, holy shit. And so I was like, yeah,
I'm
good.
sure we're gonna smell
And so
that.
I pull out the other one. So he goes, damn, that is like the third one. I was like, no, 12 1 second. Dude, I only got 2.
It was called the Blue Bronco, the Mexican restaurant.
It's expensive too.
Yeah, it is.
This building right here.
And you're filming me, aren't you? And it sounds weird too, but actually,
Get ready to lift, Roger. See the straps. Get it, whatever. Let me go. Get ready to lift. That chick or do mine? No, chicken frame around.
That's a dude.
Big ribbies, yeah.
I can't see nothing. I see something. Okay. Oh, I see it. A little bit. Nope, that's nothing.
Probably. Shit out of your house. If I thought that, huh? So we're gonna you want to hang that. Take a little money for it.
Okay, they're bringing it down this way. Show me how. Oh, I see it a little. Right here.
Nobody's handing out. You call that. Oh, guys, hang on the bottom of it. Yeah, the bottom right now, see it? I'll try to stop you doing that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I got it.
You come down. You got this. You coming down again? Which way are you
Yep,
going?
so that idiot just went around that little island and then went down and realized there was no
remember,
more
you
room.
drive a Ford, you get through anything, you go for tough, remember that.
Where are you going?
That doesn't say much.
I know, right? And as far as driver
There's
Ford
the other
too.
guy.
And there's some.
But they need a map.
Wow.
They need something.
I bet they, now they're gonna go over there and go, I bet
Y'all
you
need
guys
Jesus.
go over there, you know?
I bet you. Funny as hell.
I bet they are, you know, bet.
That would be.
So now they're coming down this way and getting down there. And I think soon they're about to realize there's no road that way either. Guys, no road that way. Well, I think they've finally figured out there's no road up there because they're backing up now. I think they need a map or something because, yeah, they don't know how to get to wherever they were trying to go. And here they come again, coming back up the hill and probably going to try to find another way.
Thinking about going somewhere right there.
Now they're going back up to the hill?
I think he's gonna go up and over. Hey dude, there's gates open over here.
Don't smack the dumpster.
Oh shit. What you gonna do?
I still think somebody ought to call INS.
We're gonna stick Nancy on you.
You like that one?
Ooh, they're lifting something. They're lifting something.
They're lifting finally?
Yep.
They decided it.
Oh, finally. Oh, it's that red piece.
Here's that
Oh,
middle.
that red piece? That's
Middle
the red
base.
piece.
This won't be too happy.
I think I'm going the wrong way with it though.
Are they trying to take out the lawn?
It looks like you're gonna get hit the bar.
It's painful.
Is old man John operating that?
He's probably the one that's directing it.
There it is, that big red piece. That's what I keep saying. I saw a big red piece.
Wasn't the piece.
Well, they missed the barn by hair. Shouldn't they put in the hole? Maybe they did it down, so it did fail.
So if it'll fall and kill two people.
We got the new light in the back, where's the mama? And then one lane, big guy here in the middle. You need to make sure it's in the right now, so what? Use.
Four nuts.
Yeah, that's not much, just the back part.
Four nuts under. Somebody wants it. Wayne or George. Wayne or George. Or Tim. And they're trying to dig, we should keep the two, you know, the pin up there. Say, how you grow anything in here? It's bigger when you cut down, you know? But don't it have to be bolted down or something?
No.
Why would they do that?
Yeah, the octopus was never bolted down.
It wasn't.
It's sitting on stacks of
I
plywood.
did, I
It was never anchored down.
The only reason why they got rid of it is because
So right now we have to clean off the upright drain that's over here, and this is a pain in the. You can probably feel this thing. Right now it's not too bad because they took the fence down, so we can actually skip the loader right here and just load it right up. But just about any time that it rains much lazy crap down the flume that goes all the way up the hill. It brings it all down, it's all right here, and then it all just piles up and collects and floods, and it's a mess. But yeah, so right now it's a little too cold and it's like misting and whatever. Yeah, so we're doing this just to do something. You can see how deep it is. Philip got stuck. You see just how deep. Well, we're heading back in. You can see we didn't get it all done, but got a lot of it done. So it's going to, we've got all the tools and everything put in the bucket. So we're going to head back, and I'll probably try to show you some of the new stuff. Alright, so I feel really bad. So in the morning we're going to go to the doctor and see if we can't figure out what's going on. But thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and comment any suggestions you may have. Let me know if you like it, what you liked about it, what you'd like to see more of. Just let me know.